Hello, welcome to Arty Makes. I'm going to show you how to make this rather snazzy but very, very easy card, perfect for Father's Day. All you're going to need is a piece of card or paper which you can fold in half, so it needs to be sort of a rectangle, and this is going to make your card. And you can see that I've actually got a blank greeting card here, so that's perfect if you've got them, but it doesn't matter if you don't. Now what you need to do to start is you need to find your centre point along that top line. Mine happens to be 5.25 centimetres. Yours might be a different size piece of card to mine, so you'll have to do the maths yourself, I'm afraid. I'm going to draw a line 3.5 centimetres from the top, and then I'm going to get a pair of scissors and snip along that line. That's actually probably the trickiest bit to do. So you just cut along that line, snip, like that, and then you'll be able to fold these two back in a moment. So the next thing you need to do is get your scissors, and very carefully you're going to line up the edge of your ruler with the point that you've just cut down to the corner, and you're going to score along that line. This isn't essential that you do this, but if you do this, then you'll get a nice clean fold in a moment, and it will just make your card look a little bit better. And if you're making this for someone important, it's always good to put a bit of effort in. I think so anyway. Okay, carefully closing those scissors back up again. So now you can fold along that scored line, and you end up with a nice crisp fold, and that is the collar of your shirt. Now we need to make a tie. I'm using some pattern paper. Wrapping paper would work just as well, and I've cut this strip 4 centimetres wide. So what I need to do is I need to, oh there you go, 4 centimetres wide. See, just proving it there. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put it underneath the collar like that, and then if I fold it over the end of the shirt like that, or the card, I can just cut that. Then I've got the perfect length tie. Okay, so now we need to fold that tie in half, so we'll get a symmetrical tie. So just gently fold it. I don't want to press the fold because I don't really want a line on there, and I'm just going to cut a triangle off like that, and then when I open it up I should have a nice point that looks like the end of a tie. And then again, if I just fold in the middle, and then I'm just going to do this by, I'm going to cut out a small diagonal and then a slightly longer diagonal down there like that, and then that's going to look like it's just underneath the knot of the tie. And then I can just check, slip that underneath. Yep, that looks all right. I'll talk about some other options that you could use for your tie design. Now I'm going to put some glue on here like this. If you wanted to, you could use sellotape, double-sided tape, anything that will just secure your tie. Now this is where you can also give a bit of life to your tie. You can put a bit of glue at the bottom and make it stick out, or you can just leave it like that. So that is your card finished. Now the other card that I've already showed you at the beginning, I made that one slightly differently. What I did is I got a piece of paper and I stuck on some washi tape. I'm sure that's how you say it. I might be wrong. Please correct me in the comments if I'm wrong, because I had these great washi tapes and I just love using them. As you know, I have done some washi tape crafts. I'll put a link in those and in the description for those. So these ones would all be ideal for Father's Day, and you could choose something that would be appropriate for the person you're giving it to. That's what's really nice about making something for somebody. You can really personalise it. I hope that the people that I've made these cards for enjoy them. I've certainly enjoyed making them, and I hope they appreciate it. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope that you make one of these cards for that special man in your life, and come back for some more Arty Makes really soon. Oh, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and ring that bell for notifications. Take care now. Goodbye.